Well, I'm not much of a cricketer, but this story is from the world of cricket. Sachin Tendulkar at the age of 16 is playing for Team India. And out here he's playing in Pakistan and facing a really strong bowling attack. Waqar Younis bowls him a short ball and he misreads it, and this ball straight hits his nose and Sachin Tendulkar falls down, he's bleeding and the situation is a bit ugly. The physiotherapist runs across to him and Navjot Singh Sidhu is at the other end of the crease and he's just thinking to himself that, well, we are now facing possible defeat. And then he hears Tendulkar's two words, Mai Khelega, I'll play. And Sachin gets up, he takes a stance, and the next ball he hits it across for a four. And as the match carries on, he and Navjot Singh Sidhu play a very significant role in preventing Pakistan from winning that test match on their home turf, and the match ended in a draw. Now that's a powerful story. Sometimes we face situations and we misread situations such that we are hit smack on the face. And then, what is our approach? Do we quit? Do we say, that's it, I can't go on? Or can we, like Sachin Tendulkar, also say, Mai Khelega? I hope the next time you're facing a challenging situation, this story comes to your mind and you think about Tendulkar's two words, Mai Khelega, I'll play. I wish you the very best. Thank you for watching.